Taking a look outside at Medford, we are seeing very quiet conditions out there tonight, down to 43 degrees after hitting 68 degrees this afternoon. Hopefully you had a chance to get outside and enjoy those spring-like conditions. It will still be pretty mild tomorrow, but there is going to be a very weak cold front that's going to come through. It's going to drop temperatures a little bit over the next couple of days, but the system we're really watching is further off to the west. That is going to be our big weather maker for this weekend. In the meantime, tonight, cold temperatures inland down to 33 degrees in Medford. We'll drop to 24 in Klamath Falls, 33 in Mount Shasta, and down to 45 degrees in Brookings. Some more fog developing in some of our west side valleys, including in Grants Pass. Tomorrow in the Medford area, mostly sunny skies, just some passing higher level clouds. Will warm into the lower 60s in the afternoon, 62 in Medford, up to 61 degrees in Wairika and Mount Shasta, 59 in Klamath Falls, and topping out around 58 degrees in Lakeview. It will be a dry day for your Friday. Increased clouds on Saturday. The first storm system will move in and it will likely bring some rain to the coast. Some showers will be possible into the Rogue Valley later in the day, but Sunday is definitely looking like a wetter day for really the entire region, and some of the rain closer to the coast and then up in the coastal mountains will be quite heavy. We will see rain changing to snow up at Crater Lake on Sunday, but those snow levels are going to start off pretty high. Take a look at the forecast when it comes to snow levels. It's not really going to be until later on Sunday in the afternoon. We'll see a changeover to snow up at Crater Lake, and then eventually into Sunday evening and night, we'll see those snow levels lower. But by the time we get to the morning, that's when a lot of the precipitation will have moved out. So this isn't going to be a very impactful storm when it comes to travel. We could see up to an inch or two for our Cascade passes, mainly up towards Diamond Lake, but about 2 to 4 inches for Crater Lake, 1 to 2 inches of snow for Mount Ashland, and the Mount Shasta Ski Park, maybe up to about an inch of snow is possible. Here's Futurecast. Tomorrow, quiet day, mostly sunny skies through most of the region. Increased clouds on Saturday. There's the rain at the coast. Some showers try to make their way inland, but Sunday will be the wetter of the two weekend days. Notice the heavier precipitation closer to the coast. Pretty widespread rain and mountain snow as we go through Sunday afternoon, and notice those snow levels starting to lower. Here's a look at forecast rainfall totals through the weekend and Monday morning, and you'll notice those higher precipitation amounts closer to the coast, 1 to 3 inches in Curry County, lighter totals as you head further east of the Cascades. Your 7-day forecast for the coast: rain arrives this weekend, turning heavy into Sunday. Northern California, some dry weather the next couple of days, but wet weather does return on Sunday. Winds will pick up with the system as well. We'll see some gusty conditions on the east side. Rainy weather on your Sunday. Notice the cooler temperatures next week. Highs in the basin back down into the 40s. The mountains will get some snow, but those snow levels will take their time lowering as we go through the day Sunday. Not expecting any big travel impacts. And then in the Rogue Valley, still pretty mild tomorrow, cooling back through the weekend. Rain likely by Sunday. And then notice more seasonal weather expected next week.